On this channel dedicated to BMW enthusiasts, in this video we will show how to replace the cylinder head cover on the BMW B47 engine, including bolt tightening sequence and torque specifications. In this video, I will replace the cylinder head cover on a B47 diesel engine fitted to a BMW X3 G01. I begin by removing the air resonator to create more space and improve visibility. Next, I take off the engine cover and then the auxiliary belt cover. Be careful here, this cover is held in place by several plastic clips, and one of them can only be released from underneath the car. With that out of the way, I remove the rear engine protection and the sound insulation trim around the injectors. Now it's time to deal with the turbo pressure sensor. First, I disconnect the electrical connector, then I loosen the union nut and remove the mounting bolt for the pipe. I remove some of the bolts securing the control module. Then disconnect the differential pressure sensors for the particulate filter. After that, I can fully remove the turbo pressure sensor. There is also a bolt at the back of the control module that is very difficult to see. I had to use an endoscopic camera to locate it. Once everything is free, I remove the heat shield from the cylinder head cover. Next, I unbolt the wiring harness and carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors from the injectors and the high-pressure rail. I then remove the injector return line by lifting the central tab and gently pulling until it comes free. Now I remove the crankcase breather pipe. In most cases this pipe breaks during removal, so replacement is highly recommended. I continue by disconnecting all remaining electrical connectors and fuel return lines around the timing cover area. Then I loosen the high-pressure fuel lines from the injectors and the supply line between the high-pressure pump and the common rail. With everything disconnected, I remove the 3 bolts holding the common rail in place and move it aside. Before removing the injectors, I mark and number them so they can be reinstalled in the same position later. I then loosen and remove each injector one by one. At this point, I start removing the cylinder head cover bolts. Since I'm installing a new cover, the removal order is not critical. I begin with the hardest to reach bolts and then remove the rest. Before lifting the cover, I remove the camshaft position sensor to avoid damaging it. Then, using a pry bar, I carefully break the seal of the cover. Now I can lift the cover off the engine. You can clearly see where the oil was leaking. This oil was reaching the particulate filter and causing smoke and unpleasant exhaust smell inside the car. For replacement, I am installing a new FEBI cylinder head cover, part number 174839, which is equivalent to the original BMW part 11.12.8.581.798. Before installing the new cover, I thoroughly clean the sealing surface, the bolt holes, and the injector seats. I carefully place the new cover onto the engine, making sure nothing gets trapped underneath and that the gasket stays properly seated in its groove. I start all the bolts by hand to ensure they thread in smoothly. The final tightening torque is 10 Newton meters, and I follow the correct tightening sequence. Once all bolts are torqued properly, I reinstall the injectors using new sealing washers. Place the common rail back in position, and secure it with its mounting bolts. I reconnect the fuel lines and tighten everything, except the line on injector number 1, which I leave loose for bleeding the system. Finally, I reassemble all the remaining components in the reverse order of disassembly. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. To make sure you don't miss more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.